I worked at Sambrooks from the age of 12 because we lived next door to them, and at 12 the old man said, would you like to come and work? I think I got, I don't know, £1 a week for brushing the floor. I wasn't allowed to serve ice cream behind the counter until I was 14, but I worked every summer.
That was quite a famous place to us. It was a meeting place.
It was a beautiful whitewashed cafe. It had walls round it, ivy growing round it, gardens at the back. There was a covered area where people used to be able to have your afternoon tea. There was a pond in the middle with a fountain and goldfish in it and flowers around.
There were little games and slots things on the walls telling your fortune. You could put a penny or two in and it'd say how long you'd live and whether you'd have a good life.
They made their own ice cream. So if you were on a shift early in the morning, he'd make the ice cream and he might give you a bit to taste. It was amazing ice cream. I've never tasted anything like it since. There was a big ice cream cone about 4 feet high in, I don't know, plastic or alabaster, something like that. And children used to go up and lick it. One of the things that people remember fondly is at the end of the season, they'd give everybody a free ice cream. So all the children queued up for their free ice cream on the Sunday. And then there was a milkshake stuff at the back, upside down. Raspberry, strawberry, lime, vanilla, I think maybe a lemon or some pineapple. And the wasps used to come and they'd hover around the raspberry and the strawberry. I think, please don't ask for a raspberry. If there's about 6 wasps around it, you just hope if nobody would ask for a raspberry milkshake at that point. It was a fun place and did afternoon tea. It was very nice afternoon tea. If we had afternoon tea, we could have crisp sandwiches and ice cream. So that was perfect.